Hello friends, peace be upon you. Some of the topics we will try to cover in this video. For example, when we use a tool on an image. Patch tool in Photoshop is used to remove unwanted content or blemishes from an image. In this image, I use the patch tool for the black eye bags under the eyes. And, with the help of patch tool, I remove these black eye bags. But, it looks unnatural. So, we undo it. Then try to fix it with another tool. Instead, go to Edit, Fade Patch Selection. Since we used the patch tool, and at 100% it is full opacity, and at 0% it will be complete undone. If you make the opacity 50%, that means 50% undo. Did not complete undo by pressing Ctrl+Z. It is 50% undo, then click OK. Press Ctrl+D to deselect, then look before and after. If we do the same work on the other eye and apply patch tool on it, it looks unnatural. Go to Edit, Fade Patch Selection. This time we look at 50%. So instead of 50%, 40% is better, that is, 40% has been undone. Hit OK. Now, if you look at the before and after, it does not look unnatural. Similarly, when an image is compressed with non-standard software. So, there are JPEG artifacts on the image, as in this image. Open up Neural Filters to remove them. And, in it you will find the JPEG Artifacts Removal tool. JPEG Artifacts Removal. Enable this tool of Filter. It will start processing. Now, you can see a clear difference. Here is before then after. There is a clear difference in artifact removal. We use many softwares to smooth the skin. Here can also smooth the skin. Enable skin smoothing. And we increase the amount of smoothness to 20. It has started the process, and we see its effect. You can see the skin, this is before and this is after. So, the skin is also smooth. Finally hit OK. Now, we will add soft glow to the image. Convert this layer to Smart Object. And Gaussian blur will be applied on it. Make radius up to 50 pixels. Then hit OK. Now, if you look at that icon on the right with the filter, double-click on it. This will open up its blending options. Change blend mode to screen. Reduce opacity to 25%. Create a layer for color lookup. Here we will select crisp warm.look LUT. Add this LUT on image. Reduce opacity to 70%. And now, I zoom in the image and show it up. Here is before then after. Soft glow is added and skin is smooth. And JPEG artifacts are also gone. And the patch tool under the eyes that we undo. It also looks natural. I zoom in image again and show you before and after. If further color grading of the image is desired, A yellowish shade is felt on the image. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E. It will merge a copy of all visible layers into a new layer on top of the other layers, and create a levels adjustment layer. Press Alt and click on Auto. Auto color correction options will pop up. Check Find dark and light colors. Check Snap neutral midtones. It finds an average, near neutral color in the image and uses it to adjust the midtones. Then hit OK. Select all layers and press Ctrl plus G to create group. Image up front is this, before and then after. So, can manipulate with up tools. As with Patch tool we removed eye bags. If the whole did it, it would look unnatural. But, now it seems natural. Then remove the JPEG artifacts. And then added soft glow to the image. And finally, auto color grading of the image. In this video, we have covered some topics. If you like this then like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.